Hey, it's Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the distance between 2 points on Google Maps. Okay, so let's say you want to jump a motorcycle across the gorge, the Snake River in Twin Falls, Idaho. And you're like, I really need to know the exact distance so I don't undershoot this thing and it costs me my life. So you go onto Google Maps, you zoom into your area. Here, all right, so there's the gorge. Let me find a spot that doesn't look too wide. I'm going to turn it a little bit there. And so I'm going to build a ramp right there on my motorcycle, get up to like 88 miles an hour, and then I'm going to drop a pin on the landing zone. Let me make it actually a little bit closer to the edge right there. I'll make a nice landing. And I'm going to want to know the distance across the gorge so I make sure I get enough air time to clear it. So you've dropped in your pin on the maps, you pull this up, and you click measure distance right there. So then you can just drag this thing right there, drag it right there across the gorge. Give myself a few extra feet for the takeoff zone. All right, so there you go, 39 feet. So there's a point right there at the bottom. It says 39 feet where you could just jump your motorcycle across the gorge. I recommend wearing a parachute just in case your engine dies on the approach, something like that. Watch those Tom Cruise Mission Impossible movies to kind of get a feel on how he does it. And that's how you can measure the distance between 2 points. So you can also add a pin in there. You can click the plus button, and then let's say you want to see how long your runway should be. You can do that. There's a road there. You don't want to do it at an angle. You can drop another pin. So that's 121 feet now. So we've got that, and then maybe you want to drive around this road coming up, add a pin. You can add in as many pins as you want and it'll show you the distance. I hope this video was helpful for you and that it helps you find the distance between 2 points on Google Maps. Remember, if you're going to jump over a gorge, wear a helmet and a parachute, and good luck. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you again soon.